Some difficulties that caused me to get onto academic probation was, I think just being in your first year, you get too excited and making new friends, but also I would miss school a lot to go see my dad because he serves the U.S. Army. And I actually went on a little trip with my family, which I really had a fun time, but then it kind of backfired. And I think just not studying hard enough and being a little lazy, I think that's what caused it to cause me to go on academic probation. Honestly, the outcome, I was terrified and scared because I found out through literally the night of New Year's Eve with my parents saying, "Sam, how come you have like a 1.7 GPA? You're on probation." I'm just like, that's impossible. Like, I talked to all my teachers, like everything was fine. They're like, "Well, you got an F on a class." I was like, that can't be. I started crying. I was disappointed in myself. I felt like I let my family, but honestly my parents down because they invested so much in me leaving for school, moving away and everything. So it was like a big eye-opener and disappointment for me. I kept it in the family because I think they would understand it more. My parents told me no matter what happened, like, we were still supporting you, we're 100% behind you. Trying to get over it, it was an eye-opener, a lesson learned, and it pushed me to get back on my feet, do better this upcoming semester of my freshman year. I think the academic probation workshop that I went to helped me see, like, oh, there's just more than just one place to go. Like, tutoring is not just the only place. You can also go to, like, academic counseling. They can help you, tell you where to go or what to do. And going to tutoring was a big factor, I would have to say. They not just showed you the tiny steps or how to do it, they made an effort to honestly tell you step by step and saying, oh, just do this and that. So I think all over campus, it's the best way to go, and friends and classmates of yours in the classrooms can help as well. I would say to anybody on academic probation right now is, do not be ashamed of it. It was a mistake. Mistakes happen when you're in college. Well, mistakes happen entirely to anybody. We're all human. And to honestly think you know what you're doing, not everyone is. So believe in yourself. If you need help, ask for it. I've learned it myself, and I learned to believe in myself and be positive about it, to not always think of the negative. So whatever help you can get, even from a professor, a tutor, even a counselor, or friends or family, anyone closest to you, or a stranger you don't even know, take it, because you'll always take it for granted. And being on academic probation is just a learning lesson, not something that'll stay on you forever.